Kung may pagkakitaan na. Walang nahalaw na siya sa yung propeller.
May help pag yung nag-adjust.
Sa ganyan lang sir, meron.
Madami kahit sa ibang drone.
Meron na.
Ito, sobrang angas nito.
So we're here now at Cafe 1023. We just attended the DJI what's this? License and Learn. So I took this class. So well, it's not a class, it's a small workshop about learning to license more than actually learning to fly. I was thinking they were going to teach the basics of flying, but I guess it's one of those that they were promoting a while ago. Was they do have a drone school. I think it's 9,000, but because of we attended this, there's a discount of 2,000, so 7,000 if I wanted to attend a basic flying class. Because we have been considering if we should be getting a drone, lalo na yung mga bago nila, the smaller one. The smallest one I have is a DJI Neo. But almost everyone I talk to here sabi, wag ka na, you go up. The next one, either you get the Flip or even the older model, I think the DJI Air 3. I think the new model's 4. So the 3 is now discounted and it's actually priced very, very nice. So yun yung isa sa mga consider. But since we're here now, this coffee shop is really pretty. This 1023. I'll be getting a coffee and a pastry, and then hopefully we can do a small review of it also. And you can tell the owner of this is into Vespas. I've already saw there's 2 Vespa here, a Primavera Red, another Primavera here, a Picnic there. And I also saw Say Journey there. Andoon sa loob. So obviously he likes Primavera. He has 3 Primaveras. And then 1 Say Journey. Okay, we're going to be ordering to check it out. Oh, I won a DJI cap pala from the raffle. This is what I had kanina for lunch, the Filipino spaghetti. I couldn't resist, sobra akong... It's definitely very nostalgic in a sense that it reminds you of the spaghetti pag may mga party. It's a step up from the Jollibee spaghetti. Yun lang, walang hotdog to, pero ang daming meat. What are the pastries they have here? Thank you.
Welcome po.
Okay. Coffee is better than he bakes. He brews, she bakes. But the blueberry cheesecake, it's okay. It's not bad cheesecake. The best part of the cheesecake is the base, not the cheesecake. Yung crust. The cheesecake is too firm, and I don't like that they had to put this icing. Dapat hindi na sila nalagay icing. The crust is good. It's just that it crumbles, but it's really good. But the coffee is really good. I like the coffee. Ang ganda ng place, ah. Very open, very fresh. Ganda. Tapos meron pa siyang second floor. Yun lang. It looks like it's going to be raining again. Kanina dumating tayong araw-araw. Ay, nako, we have to rush home again. Buti na lang yung jacket natin ngayon medyo more water resistant than the other one. But hopefully we can see if they're bringing out one of the small drones that I'm interested in, the DJI Flip. I don't know if I'll be able to test that out today. Hopefully, para makalipad na rin ako ng drone for the first time. Okay, let me just finish this.
Maganda ang presyo eh.
That's it. That's Cafe 1023 for the DJI Fly and License. So we're headed home before lumakas yung ulan. Okay, till our next one. Bye!